Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Gallipoli game not launching or not opening, won't start, unable to open, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the games selected, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check. At the same time, you are suggested to lower the graphic settings of the game. So if most of the time the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc. So you are suggested to lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here you have to select the game, and after selecting the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that try to play the game and see if it's working. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. It will check if any update is available for your Windows, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and after it gets set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the driver your game has been installed, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288, and the maximum size type 24576. Click on set, click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's. After following all the methods, if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that you have to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. Once your PC restarts, now go to Steam, log into it and reinstall Gallipoli game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is working or not.